Yo traders, what is good? So if you're new, welcome to the channel, but if you've subbed up, I need to say a massive thank you because you know what? This channel's absolutely booming and I never expected it to be this popping this fast. So thank you to every single one of you, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Blessings. Also, before I jump into the video, I do a couple of shout outs. It's going to be fast, so just hold on. First, I'm going to shout out MambaFX. That's the platform I'm on right now. It's a futures platform, but it is a prop firm, so you do need to pass before you can make some real money. Link is in the description. It'll take you to the website safely. But there is a few new rules I need to go over about TopStep. They are quite important, and if you don't follow those rules, you might be denied a payout. I've seen a lot of people saying again denied payouts from TopStep, and I think I know the reasons why, so stick around and I'm going to let you know. Also, I need to shout out Fusion Markets, the best Forex broker in 2025, and that's my opinion, of course, but listen, I'll tell you why. 1, because they're fully regulated and I trust them. You can trade straight from TradingView. 2, they offer 500 times leverage. 3, they offer super low spreads, like literally 0 on gold, NAS, US30, GJ, stuff like that I love to trade. 4, I've never ever been denied a payout and they always pay me within the first 12 hours. And 5, just because they're banging and I don't really need to say anything else. But with all of that said, let's jump onto the charts and do some analysis. So it's Monday the 24th of February and it's coming up 10 past 2. So that leaves me like roughly 20 or so minutes before that 9:30 Eastern time open. So I'm just going to look at NASDAQ first, looking kind of rangy. Let me take a look at US30. So US30 is not creating no structure. It's moving nice, but it's just not creating no structure for like the breaks. Like, you know, it's just coming straight down. Realistically, we need to see something like this. So then I can place a line and get in on a break. But it ain't giving us that. So I'm just going to go back to NASDAQ. Even though last week was terrible, and NAS gave me so many fucking fake outs on the 1 minute time frame. It was brutal. So I'm just going to stick to the 5 minute time frame. And also that brings me to some of them new TopStepX rules. I'll quickly let you know. Yo traders, what's good? So I just want to quickly add this part to the video because when I was recording and explaining it, I wasn't explaining it properly. I was probably going to confuse a lot of people. So let me clear it up. What I was saying about the new TopStepX rules is they're not new exactly, but TopStepX don't allow hedging, which means you cannot open positions long and open positions short at the same time. We know that because we can only trade one way or the other, right? They'll only let us do that on TopStepX, enter a buy or a sell. You can't do both. But what they mean is they're denying people payouts now and saying that they're kind of hedging because people are like, say you're taking a buy and it doesn't go your way. You just instantly close it and press sell. They're classing that as hedging. Pretty much is hedging. So where I do actually fucking do a little bit of this myself. Like say I've taught people if I'm buying or selling and I get wicked out and it is like a liquidity grab or a fake out, yeah, I just re-enter the opposite way. Well, I ain't going to be allowed to do that no more because that's why they're denying people payouts. Also, they're denying people payouts with too many copy trader accounts, and they're denying people payouts because they've opened too many combines in a month. So say you've like opened 10 combines in a month, you pass the one and then you request a payout. I think they can actually like say no. So be careful because TopStep is starting to give me some iffy vibes, you know, and if they do start fucking around too harsh, and I'll just leave them and find somewhere else. But right now they're still good and everything's smooth. But yeah, I'm just telling you all to be careful and don't be entering and re-entering opposite ways within the first 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. I'd give yourself at least 1 minute or 2 minutes solid before entering the opposite way that you was in, okay, when you close a position. So I hope that come across clear enough for you. But that's the reasons I found mainly people are getting denied payouts, all right? It's kind of hedging, so stay away from that shit. Let's get back to the video. So it's 10 past now. I'm looking for something to happen on NAS, right? So this is what I usually do. I look for my overall direction and stuff, and right now we're really just ranging. There is no overall direction, I don't suppose. Like we got this area where it's just rejecting from, this area where it's rejecting from. So this is the support area. I'm going to mark this up as a support zone, and I'm going to mark this up as a...
Okay, I found this on
the fuck? Siri, fuck off. No one even asked you. Wow. So this is what we're doing. We're just marking it up as a kind of range. But is there trades in to be caught in a range? Definitely. I'm just going to trade breakouts, so the most clean level for me that makes sense to be broken is there and there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I explain to people all the time, you know, if I break through this line now and it starts rejecting, then I know why, because we're at a support area. I'd still get in on the break of this white line. I wouldn't put it down there. I put it there because it's better entry, and we could just fucking shit all over the support and go straight through it. So that's why I don't wait for too many confirmations and stuff. I just get in. And if we go break to the upside, then I'll just be targeting previous structure and my 1 to 2s. So today I think it's smart if I use a 35 pip stop loss. It just looks right. So I'm going to use a 35 pip stop loss and target previous structure, the bottoms, and yeah, just previous structure or 1 to 2s minimum. I like a 1 to 3, but I do add contracts. I add micro contracts because I'm trading futures. I got no spread, so I just add micro contracts when I'm nice in profit. If I get into profit, that is. So just under 3 minutes left now until that 9:30 Eastern time. So look, we're pre-breaking. This happens quite a lot. But until the candle actually closes, I cannot move this breakout line to there. If the candle closes, then I'll move this breakout line there to the next clean bit of structure. But right now, it could just leave a big wick and then come up and boom through there. If you stick to your rules and your trading plan and you do everything by the book and you still lose, just don't overtrade and revenge trade and stuff. Just stay true to yourself. So then you don't have to feel bad about it, you know what I'm saying? Just shut the computer down and forget about the charts. And that's real talk, because they ain't going nowhere. And a lot of beginner traders think they're missing out on stuff when you're not. So just take my advice and just get off the computer for the day. I promise it'll do you good. Just stay in the game for the long run, not to fuck up the account and lose it all. You need to stay in the game for the long run, because then you blow the account and tomorrow you come back and you can't trade and all the good setups are there. So take that into mind.
Order filled.
Okay, so we are breaking to the downside with some volume. Okay, so it looks like it's rejecting a bit, but like I said, I cannot enter as a fake out like I usually do instantly. I just gotta wait because of that hedging kind of thing that Top Step X are talking about. I do want to get my payouts, do you know what I'm saying?
Order filled.
Right, cool. So fake me out, and usually I just like re-enter right now, but I actually can't. So I'm gonna wait for the candle to close a little bit, at least like a minute. But this is where I would be in usually, and it sucks. It just sucks to see this, because fucker, I probably would have recovered what I lost then by now already. So yeah, NAS has been absolute dog shit now for the last 3 times I've traded it. I missed out Friday, and I think Friday was a good day. But that's just how it goes sometimes. But yeah. Look at this. This is just some bullshit, innit? Ugly ass price action.
Order filled.
Yeah. So still breaking to the downside. And I do believe by looking at the 15-minute candle that it could get down there easily. So yeah. Hopefully now this 15-minute candle leaves a big wick there, which it has so far. Hopefully it stays that way. I'm going to move to break even. Not happy about it though.
Order filled.
That's why I weren't happy about it. Oh my days. I'm going to have to start trading like Mamba and being in and out of them 30-second trades, boy. Want a nice 1 to 3 at least. So I'm just waiting for another quality setup to come. But look, it broke through beautifully. It just done the liquidity thing. So we kind of got a little pull back there. Not a lot. Price did pull. Right. Yeah. Wait. I get this one trade.
Order filled.
Alright, so broke. I'm still targeting the bottom then, like I originally planned, but this time I've gone in aggressive with 10 micros. I'm just hoping that it fucking hits TP, because otherwise I'm done for today, and another ruthless day for me. Oh, nice. That's what I wanted to see. I need that whole TP. 250, so it's still aggressive and tight, but I need that whole fucking TP, so give it to me. I hate aggressively scalping like this, but sometimes it gotta be done. So now I'm moving to break even because this is super aggressive. I don't really want to, but I have to because I'm not feeling to lose no more. Come on, I need that TP. I can't even fucking close out early. If I move it to 8 bills, 8 bills, literally it came a tick away, a couple of pips away from that. I need that. That's what I need. I refuse to like close out without it, because I'm at break even. I'll just look again. Honestly,
Order
there we
filled.
go. And I wasn't closing out with it. It was just end of, simple. So it got to exactly where I fucking said it was gonna go to. But first, give this big ass wick. Yeah, it is what it is. Last week was a ropey week. This week didn't start the best neither, but waited. Got my next little kind of pullback, you can call it, like on the 1 minute time frame. Look, it was a pullback. That's why I entered on this break, and it didn't even enter on a 1 minute time frame. I entered on the 5. I just know from looking at this is a pullback, and price was blue and it was pulling back, and I thought if it comes down now and breaks, I'm in, and that's exactly what I did. But you know what, it wasn't the cleanest, it wasn't the best, and yeah. But yeah, if you enjoy videos like this, a little bit high intensity today, then smash the like button and subscribe. Usually it's not this intense, but the last week price action's been shit, but today it was decent. It weren't the best. But let me know in the comments if you caught this trade and if you did it different or whatever. And yeah, feel free to join the Discord. It's totally free. Links in the description, and I'll see you in there.